Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a homemade DIY for glowing skin. When you look good, you feel good. That's why glowing skin is must for this festive season. Taking care of your skin can be a big investment, so we are always down for tricks. Here is a simple DIY for you. For do this DIY, you require a few household products: baking soda, water, and lemon juice. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water and squeeze a few drops of lemon juice to the mixture and mix it well. Apply it to your face and let it dry for 5 minutes before rinsing with water. Allot another 5 minutes for checking out your newly radiant skin. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you do this, let me know in comment section below. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.